Hey guys, Brett here with Custom Offset's got something very special for you. This is a 2017 F-250.
Custom Offset's team chances the team on top of it now. We ain't never gonna fade, so you better get ready for taking over the game.
We just started selling Carli suspension products. Some of you might not be too familiar with them, but they are huge in the solid axle world of modern trucks. So they specialize in the Ram 3/4 1 tons and then the Super Duties here. And this is going to be a 2.5 inch Carli Commuter Kit is what they call it, that we're going to be putting on this 2017 F-250 Super Duty. Alright guys, so like I said, this is the 2.5 inch Carli kit, and what Carli's kind of known for is ride quality. That's what they kind of specialize in. Their kits are totally designed to improve ride quality, so that's exactly what this customer wanted, so that's why we pointed them towards this kit and this setup, even though we didn't actually carry them at the time. But then we went ahead and became a Carli dealer because we wanted to get this guy the right stuff, and then hopefully sell more of these in the future. And what it consists of is Carli has their own custom rated new spring rates for the front coil springs, which provide 2.5 inches of lift, and they also have their custom tuned Fox 2.0 shocks, which the Carli engineers spend lots of money and time custom valving those shocks to work perfectly for this application on the Super Duty here itself. So you get these nice new coil springs with the new spring rates, custom tuned Fox shocks. They give you a nice new stainless braided brake lines. And then one of the other really nice things about this Carli kit is this huge heavy duty adjustable track bar. And so rather than just giving you a drop bracket for the track bar, it's completely replacing the stock track bar with this massive new one to keep the axle centered under the truck once it is lifted, because once the axle goes down or you lift the truck, it's going to want to pull the axle one direction. So you need an adjustable track bar like this, or you need a track bar drop bracket, and Carli sells one of the best track bar brackets out there. This particular kit, the only issue we had is this customer has a plow on it, so we couldn't use the drop sway bar brackets that the Carli kit comes with, so we're just going to get some extended sway bar end links on this. And then we also got the bump stop drop brackets. This is what they give you here as well, to drop the bump stops down a little bit. And that's pretty much it in the front, I think. Oh, they also give you their Camber Adjustment. It's actually these spacers here which will adjust the camber, or sorry, not camber, I meant caster adjustment, for 2 degrees of caster adjustment. Once again, that's just to correct for the axle going down, and kind of like one of those things that Carli thinks about that some of the others don't in terms of ride quality. They adjust the caster angle as well, which is usually never adjustable on solid axle stuff unless you want to start getting into new radius arms and stuff like that. But then to round off the back, nothing in the back in terms of lift, so you know, stock blocks, stock springs, everything in the back, since it's just a 2.5 inch leveling kit. But then once again, they have the custom Carli tuned Fox 2.0s in the rear as well. And that's pretty much it. It's pretty much just a leveling kit that's really nice and quite expensive, honestly. But hopefully it's worth the money, and we're gonna get out and ride this thing around and see how it rides, see if it lives up to the expectations. Peace.